This part is very peaceful, just behind the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial. So they have this beautiful garden with a lot of different flora. Oh, there is actually some traditional musician hidden behind, creating a fantastic atmosphere, peaceful one, which is something what I'm truly enjoying in the center of Taipei. All right, so I've been to the Longtan Temple, which is pretty overcrowded. Now I've seen the Chiang Kai-shek Memorial and the related concert hall. Now I'm going to move to a short hike from which I should have a great view to Taipei 101, which used to be, well, it's already more than 20 years ago. It used to be the tallest building in the world. So yeah, I'll try to get up as well. We'll see if it will be possible and how much we will see. Yeah, so overall Taipei is a very crowded place. Might see it's from some of the videos from the underground and train stations. It's like pretty crazy, very hard to orientate, even though they do have the signs also in English. But the amount of lines and exits, it's a bit overwhelming. I'm pretty sure I would get used to it if I would spend here more time. Hello. So yeah, what is pretty awesome is like the very convenient public transport. So you have several ways how you can move in the city. MRT, which is kind of like a local train, and you have the underground itself, the blue line. You have the HSR, which stands for the high-speed rail. This one is mainly... Hello there. Hello. Who are you? You are very beautiful. Nice to meet you. You're so beautiful, matey. Yeah, so yeah, part of that you have the buses. I haven't used the bus so far because I'm primarily either I'm walking or eventually if I'm moving for a longer distance I am using the train. So yeah, so enjoy your time whenever you are. I hope you like the nature and the sounds you can see and hear. And yeah, see you soon. Ciao.